If you've got a Tesla and an iPhone, you're probably aware that you can use your phone as a key. It's super convenient. Now today I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Tesla key to Apple Wallet. With this feature, you can unlock, start your car and more, all directly from your phone. So let's get started. Now, first things first, you need to make sure you have an iPhone with iOS 14 or later, you have a Tesla account and your vehicle is connected to the Tesla app. Your Tesla has been updated to the latest software version that supports Apple Wallet integration. You're using the Tesla mobile app and Apple Wallet on your device. Now, first things first, you need to have Tesla app on your phone. If you don't, you can simply go to your app store and simply download it. Now in the Tesla app, go to the car section. This is where you'll find settings related to your vehicle, including options for locking, unlocking and using your car key. Scroll down within the app until you see an option to add your car to Apple Wallet. It might say add key to Apple Wallet or something similar. Tap on that option and the app will prompt you to start the setup process. Once you tap add to Apple Wallet, the app will open the Apple Wallet app and prompt you to confirm the condition and addition of your Tesla key. You'll see a screen asking you to add the Tesla key. Simply tap on add to confirm. Now, once the key is added, you can see your Tesla key right inside Apple Wallet. If you want, you can also set it as your default car key, so it's the first option that pops up when you unlock your car. Now here's the fun part. Using your Tesla key, when you approach your car, just open Apple Wallet, tap on Tesla key and hold your phone near the door handle to unlock it. And that's it, you've successfully added your Tesla key to Apple Wallet. Now you can unlock, lock and even drive your car without needing the physical key or key fob. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.